What do you think? Should we do the headstand part of the day? It's been a while. Let's try it out. I've been doing my minimums, but I haven't been doing them standing on my head every day because I've been giving my neck a little bit of a break. Takes a lot to keep my shirt tucked in sometimes, you know, blah, 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 all that. Anyway, let's try it. We'll do it. It's good to keep in practice. I don't think I'm going to make the 2-minute mark if I'm doing 100 any reps. But maybe, let's do 25 and keep it short. 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That feels too short, but I'll add some more. I am going to do my 100 any reps. And I do like stretching, standing on my head, because it's challenging and gravity helps. And it took me a long time, actually, to be able to stand on my head. So it's one of those things that once you figure out how to do it, you don't want to lose it by not using it. Whew, but I tell you, I got some rips and tears and things going on. Ugh. My body says, easy there. Well, we're into the 2-minute mark. We didn't come in under the 90-minute mark. I don't know how I thought I was. Blah, blah, blah. She said some more. Stay curious, stay courageous, and stay free. Peace.